IKEA pieces are affordable, so you don't have to feel guilty, and with just a little bit of time and some paint you can turn boring furniture into many treasures your kids can't live without. From fun bunk beds and colorful dressers to bookshelves and dollhouses. Here are 13 fun IKEA hacks for your kids' bedroom. Number 1. Corral books on clouds. Sometimes it's the little details that make all the difference, like these wooden clouds on the front of floating shelves. Suddenly all of your children's books have a home, and a totally adorable one at that. Number 2. Show off dress-up clothes. Why should your daughter's princess outfit get stuffed into a drawer, turning it into a wrinkled mess? Transform an IKEA Billy bookcase into a bright blue wardrobe with space for clothes and accessories instead. Number 3. Make bunk beds even cooler. The Decor bunk bed is a super simple piece of furniture, meaning it's the perfect canvas for a crafty creation. In this case, a wooden topper makes the top bunk feel like a private little house. Number 4. Try some creative shelving. Lacking a closet in the nursery? Well, since baby clothes and accessories are so lightweight, you can just add a rail under a floating shelf to create a makeshift hanger for Odysseys. Number 5. Give your kiddo a dollhouse. The best thing about your kid's elaborate imagination? You can transform a bookshelf, in this case, IKEA's Billy model, into a dollhouse that they'll be totally smitten with. Line each section with different paper to make them feel like individual rooms. Number 6. Keep a lid on Legos. Don't let your kids' colorful block toys take over their floor space. Instead, use IKEA's Lack coffee table to make a Lego command center, complete with bins organized by color and a street on top. Number 7. Push books on a cute cart. If we've said it once, we've said it a million times. IKEA's Raskug cart is super handy in every single room, and your kids' space is no exception. The baby blue color makes this an adorable, movable book organizer. Number 8. Make story time more colorful. Add seating and storage at the same time by transforming a plain white bookshelf into a bench complete with green numbered cubbies that offer tons of space for toys or books. Number 9. Trade spices for dress storage. If you flip one of IKEA's spice racks over, you can use the bottom to hold accessories like a shelf, and use the bottom to hold hangers with your little one's most adorable outfits. Number 10. Get creative with chalk paint. You can let your kid enjoy unsupervised coloring when you coat the top of their table with chalk paint, since that white stuff won't ruin your walls or carpet. Just make sure you teach them how to wipe it off when they're ready to draw something new. Number 11. Loft bed. If your little social butterfly is always having sleepovers, put a mattress underneath the loft and it can double as a cozy reading space during the day. Number 12. Wallpaper house. Turn an exotic bookcase into the perfect dollhouse with some wallpaper or washi tape on the wall behind it. Then when they outgrow dollhouses you can reuse the piece as a bookshelf or for extra storage. Number 13. Wild and free. An inexpensive dresser like the Tarva is the perfect chance to let the kiddos pick the color and designs. Paint it together for a fun afternoon art project. That's all for now. Don't forget to like, subscribe and give your comment if you like this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.
Jungle.